Good morning, students. As you know, we are solving as division, means exercise based on division as exercise 8C. I had explained till question number 3. I hope you have done question number first A to X and question number second A to D, question number third A to D. And see question number 4A, 240 divided by 2. It is also very simple. 240 divided by 2. Like that also you can do 240 divided by 2. You see, as here you can take one digit 2, so 2 1 are 2. 2 1 are 2. 0 here you can write 4. 2 2 are 4. Subtract 0. 0 here also you can write 0 here. In this way you can write like that also 0. So in this way you can do as 240 divided by 2, you can get the result as quotient. It is 120. So quotient is 120. Quotient is 120. So in this way you can solve 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D yourself. And you see 5A. So the 5A also very easy. 5A, what is this? 400 divided by 2. 400 divided by 2. Like that also you can do 400 divided by 2. See 4 here, so you can in the table of 2, 4 comes, 2 2 ja 4. 0 and 2 0 here, you can write 2 0 also here and 2 0 also you can increase here and 2 0 0. So remainder is 0. After that, if you divide 400 by 2, you can get as quotient 200. Also you can like that divide. Also you can divide 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 200 will come. So like that you can do 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D. All are the same questions. And 6A also you can do yourself. You can see 6B, 6A you do yourself. You can see 6B. 6B as 888 divided by 8. 888 divided by 8. How you can divide? 888 as dividend you can write as divisor 8. So you can see 8 8 8 and divide by 8. So one time it will go. 8 1 ja 8. 0 here you can write 8. 8 1 ja again 8. 0 you can write 8 here. After that 8 1 ja 8. 0. So 111. The result is 111. So it is quotient 111 as dividing 888 by 8. Like that also you can divide like that 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8 and 1. So it means 111 also that comes. Like that also you can divide in the simple way as if the number are given like that. So question number 7A, you see question number 7A, how you can solve question number 7A. 7A, 609 divided by 3. 609 divided by 3. How? 609 divided by 3. So 609 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. You see, one digit you take 6. In the table of 3, 6 comes. 3 2 ja 6, 2 times goes. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 here, also increase 0. 0 and after that you write 9. 3 3 ja 9. 0 here. So 203. If you divide 609 by 3, it is coming 203. So you can do like that. Now you can do question number 7B, 7C, 7D yourself. After that, question number 8A, 840 divided by 4. 840 divided by 4. Eight A, 840 divided by 4. You can see 840 is the division, 840 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. After that, you see, you take one digit as 8. In the table of 4, 8 comes directly. 4 to the 8. 0 here, you can write 4. 4 on the 4. 0 here, and you can write 0 here, also 0 here. So in this way, if you are dividing 840 by 4, 4 to the 8, again you can write 4, 4 1 the 4, by 0, again is write 0, 0, you can write here also, apply here also 0, because 0 here increased, and 0 minus 0, 0. So it means if you divide 840 by 4, it will come 210. This is the question, answer of the question. After that, you can divide question 9 yourself, like that. 300 divided by 3, 9A, 300 divided by 3. So like that you can do 300 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 0 here and 2 0, you can apply 2 0 both together and minus, it will be 0. In this way, if you divide 300 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 0, 3 minus 3 0, or you can write cross also. If you want to write cross like that also, if you write in the place of 0 cross also 3 minus 3 cross like that also you can write, and double 0, you apply double 0, you can divide and apply also double 0 here, because 2 0 here also you can write as question 2 0 here. So 2 0 minus 2 0, nothing there, 0. Cross means nothing, means 0, as remainder 0. It means if you divide 300 by 3, you have now 100. 103 ja 300. You can also say 103 ja 300. So it is correct. You can do now question B, C and D. So dear student, today's homework, what is your today's homework? As to complete question number 3 to question number 9 in your copy, notebooks. And I hope you will complete today only as exercise 8C, the whole question. And after that, I will tomorrow I will explain the 4-digit number divided by 1-digit number. 4-digit number divided by 1-digit number. Also, you can see the examples. For today's class, thank you.